happening in Wisconsin at the moment?
Yeah, well, at the moment, we just came out of a fantastic fall color season. Many people don't realize that Wisconsin and the Upper Great Lakes region rivals New England with fall colors. So we came out of amazing fall color seasons with our coastlines and our rivers and our Great Lakes and our 14,000 inland lakes and hundreds of thousands of maple trees. So just came out of that wonderful season, and we're gearing up for winter.
Cool. And you've got some golf going on?
Yep, well, I'm here to make a little bit of noise about the Ryder Cup coming up. Ryder Cup in Kohler, Wisconsin, September 25th through the 27th. And great news in the world of golf, putting Wisconsin on the global golf scene.
Cool. You have some other golf courses in Wisconsin as well, though.
We do. Well, actually, Golf Digest rated Wisconsin as the #1 golf destination in America for the last 2 years. And the wonderful thing about the golf courses that are on the top 100 list, we have about 5 of them in Wisconsin. They're all within about a 2.5-hour drive of each other. So literally you could fly into Chicago, or better yet, fly into Milwaukee, which gets you a little closer to our home games. And you could swing up to Kohler, up to Whistling Straits, where the Ryder Cup will take place. Also check out Black Wolf Run, Kohler's second course. Swing down to Erin Hills, home of the U.S. Open from last year, just north of Milwaukee. Swing a little further south down into beautiful Lake Geneva. I know you've been there. And then if you want to head a little bit further north up to central Wisconsin, we have a relatively new golf course called Sand Valley, which has been the darling of the media for the last couple of years in the U.S. golf news. Wisconsin Department of Tourism, which is a government agency, has been a trailblazer in the area of sustainability in regards to tourism. Back in 2007, we were the first official state Department of Tourism to launch a travel green program. So the state of Wisconsin has a travel green program where we've certified over 500 tourism businesses to become sustainable tourism operations. We're also the home to, many people don't realize this, but John Muir, the father of the American National Park movement, spent his childhood in Wisconsin. Gaylord Nelson was one of our senators, founders of Earth Day, and also Aldo Leopold, another leader in the study of land ethics, came from Wisconsin. So not only are we working on those sustainable issues at the Department of Tourism, but sustainability is a long and lasting part of our heritage in Wisconsin.